Well, you might find yourself in your kitchen and your KitchenAid halogen light bulb goes out. Well, what are you going to do? Well, this thing takes the G4, where is it? There it is, G4 halogen bulb. I got these things on Amazon. They're cheap, or inexpensive rather, and they'll go right in. So this kind of light has a cover on it, as you can see, and you might try and turn it off, spin it. It seems like every time I do this, I've had this thing for, I don't know, 15 years or so. Every time I do it, by the time it's time to do it again, I forget exactly how I do it. What you want to do though is pull the inner ring out. This thing will spin. In fact, I've got it a little loose here. I got to spin it back on. It'll spin, so you think the whole thing spins out. It doesn't. It does on some of them, but not this model. On this one, you just got to line up the little holes, if you can find them, and make a video about it so it looks like, hey, look what I know how to do, and then you don't know how to do shit. There, okay, I found the holes. You just push it up, and away you go. There, I'll straighten that out, see? And away you go. So we can try that again where I've got better video. So these things like pry down. So you should pry something up, or some people say you could put one of these on, a little suction cup. And that, you see, just pops right down. So here's where you try not to swear, because you're trying to make a video. Then we'll put a knife in there. Oh yeah. Probably want to use both hands, because if this fell, you might break that cool little piece of glass. So anyway, that's how you pull it out. You want to make sure the power is off, because otherwise these halogen lights get hot or not. Bad word. And gotta go down here. Excuse my messy stove. This isn't like some of those videos that are done in a showroom. It's done in my house. And I just made, what did I make? Corned beef and cabbage. So there's grease and stuff everywhere. Okay, so put it back in there. And again, it just looks like one of these. Oh, darn it. Anyway, and shove it up. You're supposed to not touch it with your hands like I just did. So I'm gonna pull it back out and clean it off. Hold on. Okay, I got some degreaser on there and got my greasy mitts off the thing. So now, shove it back in the way it came out, just like so. This is a great video, isn't it? Okay. Make sure it's in there fine, because you don't want to do this again until you have to. Hit the light, and see, just like that. Son of a gun. Let's try it again. Son of a gun. Let's try this one more time. I'm guessing I'm not in all the way. I had to kind of rock the other one to get it to go too, so much for my degreasing there. Son of a bitch. All right, I'll be back. We'll try it again. This time I'm going to keep my hands free to do the job I'm supposed to do. Oh, jeez. It didn't get hot in my hand, but these halogen lights can get hot. Okay, so I wasn't quite getting it into the holes in the white thing there quite right. So now we're going to put this thing back on. Give that a quick wipe down too. Oh, this is good video. This is, look at that, huh? Can't get this everywhere. See, and I'm not trying to sell you an appliance at the end. Okay, so this indented part kind of goes towards the counter. You kind of have to just, I guess if you didn't just fall down in the snow and hurt your back, you can probably just lean over and look, but I don't want to do that. There we go. Found the holes. Just push back up. Bob's your uncle. Now I can see what I'm burning. Oh yeah, and remember to take a picture of the box so you've got it, and you can reorder it. In fact, I'm going to reorder mine right now just because what a pain in the neck when you don't have them.